Good evening, everyone. We will wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then we will start the class. That's correct. So everyone join the class. Very less number of students have joined today. So how many of you are going to make fruit truffle pudding? Ridvin, Manisha, Chandni, Muskan, Sapna, Surbhi. Everyone reply. Samina. So you guys are not trying the recipe, only one or two student is trying the recipe. May I know the reason? Samina is making. Ridwin will try this evening. This is very easy recipe guys. बहुत ही easy recipe है. So first of all, we need to make custard. First, in the very first recipe, we will start making fruit truffle pudding. Okay, हम लोग सबसे पहले fruit truffle pudding बनाएंगे. So for making fruit truffle pudding, we need to make the custard. So how many of you knows to make custard? Custard बनाना किसे किसे आता है? Samina knows. Okay. What about else? Everyone, please reply. Vinodini. No, don't know. Okay. So first of all, we will start preparing the custard. For that, I am taking 125 gram of milk here. 125 ग्राम हमें मिल्क ले लेना है. 125 gram of milk we will take. And we will put it on the pan. After that, we will again pour some milk, like 20 gram milk I have taken here. 20 gram of milk. After that, we will put custard. Okay. So custard powder, 12 gram we will add. Twelve gram of custard powder we will take and we will mix it. अच्छी तरह से mix कर लेना है. So that there will be no lumps. Do not put directly custard with the hot milk. Okay. Custard को hot milk के साथ mix मत कीजिएगा. Otherwise, there will be lumps in your custard. Custard brand name Wickfield custard vanilla powder here I am using. Wickfield का use कर रही हूँ मैं. 12 gram custard powder, 12 gram. 25 gram of sugar. 25 ग्राम हमें शुगर ले लेना है. And now we will pour it. Let's mix the sugar and custard. And we will pour it with the milk. मिल्क के साथ हमें pour करना है. And we need to stir it till it gets thick. तब तक चलाते रहना है जब तक ठीक ना हो जाए. ठीक है. You need to stir it till it gets thick. Some people have joined late today. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Yes, gas on induction I have put it on 800 degree. 800 temperature है. Now when it will get thick, you need to continue stir करना है. Okay, you need to stir it continuously. So this will be the consistency. Okay, इतना ही consistency रखना है हमें. And now we will transfer it into another bowl. दूसरे बाउल में हम इसे ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. नीचे Now you need to stir it till it gets cool. So only Samaina is making. What about else? Chandni, Mariam, Muskan. Guys, please try all this recipe. This is a very easy recipe. Okay. Without any oven, without any OTG, you can make this recipe. Okay. So now we will keep it on the side and then we will start beating the cream. So here I have taken whipping cream. This is whipping cream. Let me tell you the perfect custard powder brand. Wickfield custard powder. Wickfield का. Okay. Now let me tell you the right method of beating the whipping cream. When you will start beating it, you need to remove it from the freezer. Always keep your whipping cream packet in the freezer, not in the fridge. Okay. So when you will start beating it, always remove half an hour ago before beating it. आधे घंटे पहले बाहर निकाल के रखना है. When it becomes milk-like consistency, first you will beat it with hand beater. Okay. When it will become the milk-like consistency, then you will use your electric beater. Okay. Because there is some ice crystals in this. So when you will start beating it, it will melt. Okay, it will not beat properly. Sapna knows. Okay, very nice. ट्रोपोलाइट विपिंग क्रीम आई एम यूजिंग हेयर। ट्रोपोलाइट की विपिंग क्रीम मैं यूज कर रही हूँ। डू नॉट टेक अमूल फ्रेश क्रीम। ट्रोपोलाइट विपिंग क्रीम विच वी यूज while मेकिंग केक। ओके। इज देयर एनी डाउट गाइस? किसी को कोई डाउट है अभी तक? I have beating it for the black forest cake also and the fruit truffle pudding also. So here I have taken 450 gram. Okay, 450 ग्राम का क्रीम लिया मैंने यहाँ पे। What you are asking, Samaina? No, ma'am. Your custard should be lump free. Okay. कस्टर्ड जो है वो लम्प फ्री होना चाहिए। I don't have measuring cups right now here. So 250। Okay, doubt नहीं है। So if I am telling you 450 gram, it means in cups you need to take 450 ml. Okay, 450 ml आपको लेना है। विपिंग क्रीम 450 ml लेना है आपको। Now we will start beating it. So first of all, yes, gram also 450. In cups there is written 450 ml. Okay, it means 450 ml you need to take. So first we will beat at slower speed for 1 minute. Then we will start beating at high speed. Now we will beat at high speed. will take time. 3 to 4 minutes it will take. How many of you have beat the whipping cream earlier? आप लोगों ने से whipping cream किससे किससे beat किया है? What's your name? Kunti also Bhavna, Sapna, Kunti. Okay. So is there any problem while mixing the whipping cream? Madisa tried. Okay, Madisa try this technique which I told you right now. And new workshop is also going to start, guys. Yes, the technique which I told you could be try with that one. So you can see it's not that much stable. So we need to beat it little bit more. Okay. Can we try whipping powder available in the market? Yes, you can try, but it will be costly for you. So I have not added anything in the whipping cream. This is only whipping cream. You can see the whipping cream consistency. Yes, I'm using purple light premium whipping cream. So you need to beat it till this when your cream is not falling down. You can see it's not falling down. That means your cream has beaten properly. Okay. So you need to beat till this stage. Do not overbeat it. Otherwise, when you will start applying the cream on cake, it will get tear up. Okay. There will be roughness in the cream. For half kg cake, you are asking? Yes. Okay. So 200 gram of whipping cream you can take for half kg cake. So for making fruit truffle pudding, you can also use bread. Okay. Instead of vanilla sponge, you can also use bread. So 50 gram of this whipping cream we will add. 50 gram of whipping cream, 25 gram of milk maid. Okay, 25 gram of milk maid, 50 gram of whipping cream. 25 gram of milk maid and 50 gram of whipping cream we will add. And now we will mix it. So we need to mix it. Is it visible to all of you? तो we will mix it well. अच्छी तरह से हमें mix कर लेना है. And now we will fill it in a piping bag. So we will take a piping bag. Is there anyone who is making? Samina is making, I think. Have you completed? So we will fill it in a piping bag. Now we will keep it aside and we will take a jar. Okay. In this we will take a bread and we will remove the sides. साइड से हमें ब्रेड रिमूव कर देने हैं. And this is mixed fruit jam. Okay. So we will apply mixed fruit jam over the bread. ब्रेड के ऊपर हम मिक्स फ्रूट जैम अप्लाई करेंगे. Don't think that we will eat bread and jam here. We are making fruit truffle pudding. Okay. हम लोग यहाँ पे फ्रूट ट्रफल पुडिंग बना रहे हैं. So we will mix it and we will cut it again in a small pieces. You can use vanilla sponge also instead of this bread. Now we will just wait a minute. Now we will take the jam and we will make designs on the jar. जार लेकर के हम डिजाइन बना लेंगे इस तरीके से, so that it will look beautiful from the outside. Okay, इस तरीके से आपको बना लेना है. Now we will apply the breads. ब्रेड अप्लाई कर देंगे साइड से. And this is the fruit mix which I have taken here. So we will cut the fruits into small pieces. छोटे छोटे पीसेस में हम फ्रूट्स कट कर लेंगे पहले. So here I have taken 4 types of fruits: apple, watermelon, pineapple and pomegranate. Okay. It's a very easy recipe and without you can make it without any OTG or gas. Now after applying the breads we will apply the cream. इसके ऊपर हम क्रीम अप्लाई करेंगे. Now we will spread some fruits. So we will apply the fruits here. After that again we will apply the breads. Okay. फिर से हम ब्रेड अप्लाई करेंगे. and again we will apply the cream. Again we will apply the fruits. And your fruit truffle pudding jar is ready. And this is fruit truffle pudding jar. You can serve it to your guest or you can enjoy at your home also. Okay. So how is it looking? कैसा दिख रहा है? Yes. So now we will keep it in fridge for 1 or 2 hours. 1 से 2 घंटे के लिए फ्रिज में रखना है, so that it will become set and then you can enjoy it in the dessert. Okay. Yes, Manisha, you should try. Today also your husband will not going to take the picture. So we have completed our one recipe. Is there any doubt in fruit truffle pudding? किसी को कोई भी डाउट है फ्रूट ट्रफल पुडिंग में? यू कैन आस्क. Custard milk, what you do? In the custard milk, I have added milk maid and whipping cream. कस्टर्ड मिल्क में ही हमने whipping cream और मिल्क मेड ऐड किया. ओके. टर्निंग टेबल का लिंक शेयर कर दो. यस, डेफिनेटली आई विल शेयर. एक्चुअली आई परचेज इट फ्रॉम ऑफलाइन मैंने परचेज किया है. ऑनलाइन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट इट. आई विल चेक एंड आई विल शेयर इन द ग्रुप. ओके. So those who are making, have you completed? So now we will start preparing the Black Forest cake. So I have already prepared the sponge. I will tell you how to prepare the sponge later, okay? So guys, this is turntable. This is cake base. Okay. This turntable we will use while applying the whipping cream. Okay. And this is palette knife. This is the cutting knife. This is sharp edge knife. Okay. These are the three knives which we will use while applying the cake. So whenever you will start making the cake, always take a wetting tissue, and on that you need to put the cake base so that your cake base will not move here and there. Yes, we will make vanilla sponge later. Okay, so let's start making. First of all, we will cut the cake from the top. टॉप से हमें जो टॉप लेयर होता है, we will not use the top layer because when we will apply the cream or when you will eat it, it will not taste good. So we will always remove the top layer. टॉप लेयर हमेशा हम रिमूव कर देते हैं. सेम एज द लोअर लेयर ऑल्सो. लोअर लेयर में भी हम रिमूव कर देंगे. So because the lower layer and upper layer will not taste good. Yes, Sapna, ask what you are asking. Now we will cut it into layers. So you need to keep your knife at one place and you need to move the turntable. Then you will move your knife in to and fro motion. Okay. Like this you need to cut it. Yes, this is chocolate sponge. Again we will cut into the second layer. Like this you need to cut. Now we will apply the cream. So first of all we will apply the cream on the cake base. इस तरह से हमें केक बेस पे थोड़ा सा क्रीम लगाना है so that the sponge will get stick and it will not move here and there. ठीक है. Again, the next process is applying sugar syrup. So if you don't have, sorry, if you need to parcel it, you need to, there is a order for you guys, you need to apply the sugar syrup. Otherwise, if you will eat it quickly, there is no need of applying the sugar syrup. So here I have taken the melted chocolate. So here I have taken melted chocolate. In this we will add 10 gram of milk. Fruit pudding 50 gram. 50 gram. No fresh cream is not required. This is melted chocolate and in this I am mixing milk. Okay, milk mix कर रही हूँ to make the chocolate sauce. No, this is not ganache. So now we will apply the whipping cream. इस तरह से हमें whipping cream apply करना है. Yes, dark chocolate. For making chocolate sauce, you need to take, if you are making 100 gram of dark compound chocolate, you need to take 50 gram of milk. After that, we will apply the sauce. So in some places, many people apply the cherry. Okay, cherry in between the bases, in between the sponge. But we are not using the cherry. Over that, we will use choco chips. Again, we will take the second layer and we will apply the cream. Now we will mix. Just move our palette knife in to and fro motion. Yes, in some location, black people uses strawberry also, cherry crust also in between the cakes. So always clean your palette knife. Again, we will apply the chocolate sauce. And then choco chips. Dark compound chocolate. Dark compound chocolate you need to add. Again, we will take the third layer. And we will do the crumb coating. Okay, crumb coating हम कर लेंगे. तो इस तरह से हमें क्रम्ब कोटिंग कर लेना है. Keep your knife at one place and just move the turntable. No, I have not added sugar syrup. Now we will keep it in fridge for 5 minutes. 5 मिनट के लिए फ्रिज में रख देंगे. So, that's for making chocolate sauce. If you are taking 50 gram of dark compound chocolate, you need to add 25 gram of milk. Okay. For making chocolate sauce, you need to take ratio 1:2. 1:2 रेशियो में आपको चॉकलेट सॉस बनाना है. In winter it is getting thick, so I have added little bit amount of milk. So how many of recipes is left? In that whipping cream, did we add anything? No, I have not added anything. Only whipping cream is there. How many recipes left, guys? Please reply. Doll theme cake. Okay. What about else? One more recipe is left, I think. Chocolate sauce are also used in Oreo brownie. No, in chocolate sauce we use ganache. Not ganache. In Oreo brownie we uses butter and chocolate. We melted butter and chocolate. We get 9 recipe on the PDF. Okay, I will check and I will inform you. Okay. So in the next class We will make Barbie theme cake. Ma'am, was fudge icing. Ma'am, what's fudge icing? Fudge icing, what you are asking? Vanilla sponge we will make in the next class. Chocolate and butter की quantity. 130 gram of chocolate, 85 gram of butter. I have shared in the recipe. Please go through that. 130 gram of dark compound chocolate and 85 gram of butter. Okay, let's start making. So if you have time, keep it in fridge for 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. Okay. 15 to 20 मिनट के लिए आप फ्रिज में रख सकते हो. So now we will apply the cream. And like this in to and fro, you need to apply. And now we will cover from the sides. Like this, you need to cover from the sides. Just keep your knife at one place and move the turntable. Now we will make designs on the sides with this comb. Keep your comb at one place and move the turntable. So like this you need to do. Now we will make the edges. Someone was asking about how to knit the edges. Okay, so you can see what you need to do. You need to put your palette knife on the sides and just do like this. Okay, इस तरह से आपको करना है. Always clean your knife. Keep your edge knife at the edges and do like this. Again, like this, you need to do. Is it clear? Who was asking? Sapna was asking. So like this, you need to remove the edges. And where there is excess cream, you need to remove it. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will apply the chocolate sauce. This is normal black forest cake. You need to maintain the temperature. So now we will apply the chocolate sauce. We will apply it on the sides so that it will make a drill. So like this you need to make the designs on the sides. Now we will take the piping bag. So we will fill the cream and we will not take a nozzle. So we will cut from the front. Now we will make designs with the rose. You can apply the chocolate sauce in between also. बीच में भी आप सारे में chocolate sauce apply कर सकते हो, but let it be. Now we will make the rose design. Whipping cream gets melted. So we are making different designs. Now we will apply cherry on the top. So your black forest is half ready. Please wait for 2 to 3 minutes. We will complete it. So in half we will spread some crushed chocolate. Okay. On the sides we will spread some chocolates. And your black forest cake is ready. Is ready to serve. Let's clean the sides. Piping nozzle size number, this is 2M. This is 2M nozzle. And your black forest cake is ready. How is it looking? कैसा दिख रहा है? Is it looking beautiful? So you guys please try it, and if you need any help, please feel free to ask me. Yes, it's perfect. Yes, I will upload it on the Instagram by today. You guys can check it over there. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Whipping cream, you need to keep it outside till it gets start melted. For whipping cream, you need to maintain the temperature of 18 to 20 degrees. It's very easy to just wait a minute, Mariam. It's very easy to handle whipping cream in winter, but it is very difficult to maintain in summer. Always you need to keep it in AC room, or you need to maintain the temperature itself. Okay. After keeping leftover whipping cream in the fridge, within how many days it should be used? While using it, do we have to whip? No, you do not need to whip it again. Just mix it with a spatula. Okay, and you will keep it in fridge for 4 to 5 days, but cover it with the plastic wrap. Okay, you need to cover it with the plastic wrap. ठीक है? So if you have any doubt, you can message me on WhatsApp. You can ask me over there. So I'm ending up the class, guys. And one more information. Our next batch is going to start from 27th of January. In that there is different 10 recipes, and there is some healthy recipe also, in which we will not use the refined flour maida. So for you guys, there is an offer. You can only join at 299. आप 300 में सिर्फ join कर सकते हो. Okay. So those who want to register, please register it by today. Offer is till today only for the old student. Okay, I will share the information in the group after the class. So those who want to register, please message me after the class. Okay. Yes, so bye everyone. Thank you so much. We will meet tomorrow at the same time.